Welcome to the world of property investment, a realm of untold wealth and prosperity if navigated correctly. It's an exciting journey, filled with opportunities and potential where ordinary people can build extraordinary wealth. Let's delve into the heart of property investment. At its core, it is a strategy for wealth creation that has been embraced by many of the world's wealthiest individuals. But it's not just for the uber-rich. No, property investment is a path that anyone can tread, regardless of their background or financial standing. Here's the secret sauce. Property investment can provide a steady income stream, something as reliable as the rising sun. This comes in the form of rental income. You own a property, you rent it out, and voila! You have a consistent flow of income that can supplement or even replace your regular paycheck. But the beauty of property investment doesn't stop there. It also holds the potential for capital growth. This is the increase in value of your property over time. As the years roll by, your property, your piece of the earth, grows in value, building your wealth as it does so. It's like a snowball, rolling down a hill, gathering more snow and momentum with each passing moment. And let's not forget about the tax benefits. Depending on where you live, there are likely tax advantages associated with property investment. These could include deductions for interest on your investment loan, property taxes, and even depreciation. These benefits can significantly reduce your tax bill, leaving more money in your pocket. But hold on, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Property investment does come with its challenges and risks. It requires careful planning, a keen eye for potential, and a solid understanding of the market. However, these hurdles should not deter you. They are simply part of the journey, challenges to be overcome. And while property investment may seem daunting, with the right knowledge and strategy, it can become a powerful wealth-building tool. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting ride into the world of property investment, where the potential for wealth creation is as vast as the horizon itself. Before diving into the world of property investment, it's crucial to understand some key fundamentals. Imagine property investment as a game of chess. It's not just about the king and queen, but also the bishops, knights, and pawns. Every move matters, and so does every piece on the board. Similarly, successful property investment isn't just about buying and selling properties, it's about understanding the nuances and complexities of the real estate market. The first fundamental to consider is location. Location, location, location. It's a mantra you'll hear time and time again. Why? Because the value of your investment is directly tied to its location. A property in a thriving neighborhood with excellent schools, amenities, and transport links will likely yield a higher return than one in a less desirable area. Next, we delve into market research. It's not just about knowing when to buy, but also what to buy and where to buy. Understanding market trends, property values, and demographic shifts can help you make well-informed decisions. Are young professionals flocking to urban areas? Are retirees seeking quieter suburban neighborhoods? These trends can significantly influence the demand for different types of properties. Lastly, we have financial analysis. This involves assessing your financial capability and the potential return on your investment. Can you afford the mortgage payments? What about property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs? And let's not forget about the potential return. How much can you reasonably expect to earn from your investment? Calculating the potential return on investment, or ROI, can help you determine whether a property is a sound investment. Remember, successful property investment requires careful planning and a deep understanding of the property market. It's not just about making quick decisions. It's about making smart, informed decisions. It's about playing the long game and thinking several moves ahead. With these fundamentals in mind, you're already on your way to becoming a savvy property investor. Now that we've covered the basics, let's delve into the insider secrets that can truly unlock your wealth-building potential. One of the most powerful tools in property investment is purchasing properties below market value. This is often achieved through auctions, foreclosures, or simply by negotiating a good deal. This approach can provide immediate equity in the property and sets the stage for significant capital growth. Another insider secret is adding value to your property through strategic renovations. This doesn't mean you need to create a luxury mansion. Often, simple updates like a fresh coat of paint, modern fixtures, or a revamped kitchen can significantly boost the property's value. Remember, it's not about how much you spend, but how much value you add. Leverage is another key aspect of property investment. It's about using borrowed money wisely to increase your investment capacity and potential returns. But be careful, while leverage can magnify your gains, it can also amplify your losses. That's why it's crucial to have a clear understanding of your financial position and risk tolerance. Having a clear investment strategy is not just a suggestion, it's a necessity. Are you looking for capital growth or rental yield? Are you investing short-term or long-term? Answering these questions will guide your property selection and investment decisions. Lastly, stay informed about the market trends. Property markets can be unpredictable and are influenced by a myriad of factors such as interest rates, economic growth, and government policies. Keeping abreast of these trends will help you make informed decisions and identify potential investment opportunities. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all strategy in property investment. What works for one investor might not work for another. It's about finding what works for you based on your personal circumstances and financial goals. These insider secrets can give you an edge in the property market, helping you build wealth more effectively. So you've got the fundamentals down and you're armed with insider secrets. Now what's next? Success, my friends, is a journey, not a destination. It's about the steps you take, the decisions you make, and the actions you undertake. In the world of property investment, this journey is paved with diligence, patience, and an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. Think of yourself as a gardener. Your investment is a seed you've planted. It won't turn into a towering tree overnight. It needs time, care, and a watchful eye. You must water it with regular reviews of your investment strategy. Is your seed growing as expected? If not, perhaps it's time to adjust the soil, maybe tweak your approach a little. Remember, the property market is a living, breathing entity. It changes, it evolves, it surprises. So you must too. Don't just settle for the knowledge you have today. Strive to learn more. Be curious about market trends, about economic factors that could affect property values, about the changing needs and wants of property buyers and renters. This continuous learning will help you make informed decisions that could significantly impact the growth of your investment. And then there's action, the most important part of the journey. You can have all the knowledge in the world, but it won't amount to much if you don't act on it. It's like having a map to a hidden treasure, but never setting out to find it. So don't just plan, act, don't just dream do. This path to success might seem daunting, it might seem long and winding, but remember, every great journey begins with a single step. And each step you take, every decision you make, brings you one step closer to your goal. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and start building your wealth through property investment.